Good. So we are now online. Okay. So this is a case we are using a matrix to transform an object. Yes. And we talk about transformations. We can talk about the examples of transformations. There are about, not so much. We can have some examples. Yes. Number one. Rotation. We can have one student. Yes. Rotation is one of them. Reflection is one of the transformations. Yes. Refraction is also reflections. This one we did in Form 2. This one we also did in Form 2. Another one? Yes, Avila? Enlargement, similarity. So we talk about enlargement. Enlargement is also in Form 2. Is there another one we are forgetting? Yes, yes. Yeah. Translations. This one is also done in Form 2. So I think we have exhausted, but we are using a Form 3 concept to work out this transformation. The Form 3 concept we are using is called matrix. It's called matrix. So matrix, in plural we call them matrices. In plural we call them matrices. That one is in plural. We call them matrices. So we are using a matrix to carry out the transformations. Yeah. So that's why the topic is called matrices and transformations. It looks like a two topic in one. Matrix is done in Form 3. Transformations are done in Form 2. So it is just like a two topic in one. So matrices of transformations are those matrices which will be used to carry out a transformation. And in the order of matrix, object, image. That is the order. We shall have a look at the following. So we'll rub out that part and then introduce the matrices. For example, let us have an object. Let us have an object, for example. Consider, let us start with a triangle because it is easier. It has only 3 coordinates. We shall even go to other objects like rectangles, trapeziums, parallelograms, all that. We shall go into all that. But let us start with a triangle because a triangle is just a 3-sided figure. It is easier. Consider a triangle ABC with vertices. So when I talk about vertices, then I talk about coordinates. Coordinates with the vertices at A, 2, 1, comma, B, let us say 3, 1, and C, let us talk of 4, 4, 2. Yeah, that one will be a triangle. So consider a triangle ABC with vertices at A, at B, and at C. Let it undergo transformation, yeah? So let us say undergoing a transformation. And a matrix, so we shall give a matrix M, and a matrix, we give it in that order. Yeah, and we are considering, because this is your syllabus, we are considering a 2x2 matrix. You don't go to a 3x3 matrix or any other. So let us have a matrix. You can give me some order because you have done matrices. 2, 1. Someone is saying 2, 1. 2, 1, 0, 1. 2, you are saying 2, 1? 0, 1. Yeah, you have done matrices, you know how matrices behave. So let us have a matrix is now given, and you realize that this is an object because it is only A, it is only B, it is only C. An image, okay, an object will be that. So we shall have one, we shall have the second one, and we shall have The third one. 4, 2. You realize that this is an object. When it is an image, then we shall indicate image, image, image as the first image. If it is the second image, we shall indicate second image, second image, second image. We shall see as we proceed on. So let us have a matrix, let us have a triangle, ABC, undergoing a transformation under a given matrix, the matrix you have described as 2, 1, 0, 1. So what do we do in that order? I should write it here, I should write it here. If I write it here, it will not be visible. It will not be visible. Can I rub out this part and work on this?
Yes.
Have you taken down the question?
Yes.
Okay, take down the question so that I can rub this part and use it. You are done? Yes. Is not yet done? Okay, you are done. Yes. So for this question, it is usually a question given in this format, and it is usually the request from the person asking the question. If it is a question paper, or if it is a problem you are trying to solve, because we do mathematics to solve problems, yeah? So in this case, if you have a problem you are able to solve, you are asked to solve rather, then the person requesting you to solve this problem will ask you to draw the object. Remember, this is the object. Sawa sawa. And then the person will ask you to perform the computation and finally find the coordinates of the image and then finally draw the image too on the same Cartesian plane. So this is a question about 4 marks. Drawing the object 1 mark, performing the computations 2 marks, and then drawing the image another 1 mark. Total 4 marks. This is a question which can appear in paper 2, section 1. So let us work out the computations. Let's work out the computation, and we said in the order of a matrix, object, then image. So in this case, you find out which is missing. Which is missing, but we are starting from the first, where only the image is missing. So it means that our calculations are moving towards that end. In other cases, at the advanced level, maybe in the second lesson, we may find that a matrix is missing, so that we may be given an image, an object and image, so we work towards the left. Sometimes the object may be missing, so that you are given a matrix and the image, so you are working to meet at the center. So remember, those are the areas. We can work towards the right. That is a normal order. You did that in Form 3. But sometimes the matrix is missing, as in the second lesson, which we shall have. The matrix may be missing. So we shall be working towards this level, towards this end. We are using this and that to find this. At some advanced stage, the object may be missing. And this is given and this is given. So we'll be working with this and this to find this. But in this case, let us start from the normal order. This one you did in Form 3. So give me the coordinates of the matrix. I will write it in this order. 2, 1, 0, 1. Then from here, it is a multiplication. So we don't write anything here. It is a multiplication. It is this bracket multiplied by this bracket. So we don't write anything here. So at the end of it, we close for the coordinates of the object. And then because we multiply this and get, so here is an equal sign. All right?
Yes.
We work out this and get the coordinates of the image. We can write them in vertical orders because they are going to be as position vectors. Then we shall write them as coordinates later as we are drawing them. So let us find out the coordinates of the object.
2, 1.
2, 1 for the A.
3, 1.
3, 1 for the B.
4, 2.
4, 2 for the C. Good. So we can find the coordinates of the image. The order of a matrix is usually multiplied in this order and this order. That is form 3. This order and this order. This order and this order. It means that as I'm seeing them 1, 2, 3. So I will have 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is A, B, C. It will come to A prime, B prime, C prime. This is image. A image, B image, C image. So when I want to fill this one, these ones, the upper parts, I will use these ones. I will use these ones. I will use these ones to fill the upper part. I will use the downer part to fill the downer part. So we start with this, but remember we multiply in this order. In this order. So let us find out. This one will be 2 times 2 plus 1 times 1. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 times 1 is 1. Total 5. So we write 5. I want us to complete the upper parts first. These are the x coordinate part. So let us complete the x coordinate first. So we come here. We are now at B.
7.
Let us find out. You say 7? How does 7 come?
2
times 3, 6 plus 1 times 1, which is 1, total 7. If you don't see, if you don't understand, you can let us know. The part remaining is this one. The part which is C. The part which is C. Yeah, we are completing it. And remember, this is 2 marks. This is 2 marks. So be careful here. This is 2 marks. So we are remaining with the part which is C and the part which is C. Good, let us go. It will be in this order. This times this. Alright, then we add as we move on. So 2
times
4 is 8.
plus 1 times 2.
Yeah, we have multiplied 2 times 4, then 1 times 2. So 2 times 4 is
8.
1 times 2 is
2.
total 10. So this is 10. So far we have completed the x coordinate, the x factor in the coordinate. Right?
Yes.
We are going to the y coordinate. The y. These are x's, these are y's. Remember? X, y will appear as x, y. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, so the x's we have completed. The x's. This is x, x, x. We're coming to y, y, y. The y's are these ones. These are the y's. These ones. These are the y's. This one will give us the coordinates of the y. This one will give us the coordinate of x as we have seen. But these ones will give us the coordinates of y because they are down. We cannot put them up again. Alright?
Yes.
So as we multiply, you remember they look like this, but we multiply by it like this. Each. Remember, even those ones we multiplied like this. We multiplied like this. We multiplied like this. Even these ones we are multiplying like this, multiplying like this, multiplying like this. And we are adding as we move on. But if we work them out, we are going to get the coordinates of these y's. Okay?
Yes.
So let us start it out. Let me rub out this part, making it dirty. Okay? Let us start. 0 times 2
0
plus
1 times 1
total Then the second one, we are moving to, remember there are two. This one, we have not done this, we have not done this. So we are doing this and this. And we are still using the matrices, the y's of the matrix. These are the x of the matrix we have completed. We are now using the y of the matrix. So let us move on. We have completed this one. Tukapata hii. We want now this. So 0 times 3, 1, 1 total, 1. Only one is remaining. This one here, only this one is remaining. Let us complete it. 0
times 4
plus
1 times 2.
will give us this.
Yes.
Let us go it again. 0
times 4
plus
1 times 2.
will give us this. So let us perform the calculation. 0 times 4,
0
then 1
times 2.
total
2.
2. Good. So far, from there we shall have our coordinates. Can I write them down here?
Yes.
Yeah. Let me write them here, it will be visible. So A is 5, A image, that is correct. We have 5, 1. 5, 1. That is the coordinate of the A image. Let us have a look at the coordinate of B image. This is B image. How did 5, 1 come? 5, 1. It is A image. Yeah?
Yes.
Let's have a look at B image. B image. 7, 1, that is. Then C image. 10, 2, because it is this one here. It is this one here. It is C image 10, 2. Yeah. 10, 2. So those are the coordinates which we want to draw. Right? Yes. But as for now, we'll draw them later. We'll draw them later because the object you have as object is A, 2, 1, 2, 1, B, 3, 1, C, 4, 2. So drawing this on the same Cartesian plane, remember Form 1, where you are able to draw this in the topic of coordinates and graphs, and then drawing this using the same concept from 2 and the coordinates and graphs. That's why I say this one you'll be able to draw even in my absence. Alright? Yes. We can perform the next calculation. The key interest here is my calculations will be the key interest. Because drawing you have known from the Form 1 topic, coordinates and graphs. Okay, so let's have a look at the second example. This video is online. If you are in the WhatsApp, then you'll be able to watch it even when you are home. Okay? Yes. Yeah. It is online. You'll be able to watch it even when you are home. At home or home? Is it when you are home or when you are at home? Okay. I know you are the best. You are the best professors when it comes to English. I usually give up. I just only know the little English to help me teach mathematics. Okay? Okay, let us have this. So let us have an example, because you have considered a case, so let us have an example. So this is the example. Can I read? Yes. Or I write first?
Write first.
So draw the rectangle ABCD. Draw the rectangle AB. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. with vertices. With vertices, you can put column. How many minutes are remaining? About 12.
5.
12, about 12. Yeah, 12 minutes. So within 12 minutes, we shall be able to perform this computation. Then the next lesson, we shall see what to do. A is 2, 3, 2, 3, B. B is 2, 5, 2, 5, C. Remember, it is a rectangle, so it is four-sided. It is moving ABCD. 6, 5, 6, 5. And B, 6, 3. Yeah. Right?
Yes.
And its image, don't put a full stop. And its image, and its image, and its image under the transformation, represented by matrix. That is a matrix by that one. Negative 3, 0. Negative 3, 0. 1. Negative 2. Yeah. So write down the equation so that I may rub it out and work on it very fast within the time remaining. Have you completed writing?
Yes.
You have completed writing?
Yes.
So we can work it out.
Yes.
Allow me to rub it out because we are using the same place to perform computations. As I said earlier, you'll be able to draw and present. I would like to see how the way you draw them because it is also part of the assignment. So you'll be able to see how you draw them. If you have a chance, you can bring your book. If you don't have a chance to bring your book, then you can allow me see your work when I come back. Okay. So give me the coordinates which we shall have for this lesson. It is matrix object image for this lesson. In this, and we are working to get the image for this lesson. So give me the coordinates of the matrix. Negative 3. Negative 2. Then we don't write anything, we simply insert another bracket because it's a multiplication. Okay. So can we have ABCD? At A is 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6,
3.
3. Then these are the computations we do, then we get. You do that? Remember? You remember this? This is a matrix. Yeah? This is an object. There is a computation here. So it's a multiplication. We don't write anything there. We leave it blank like this. It's a multiplication. Then is what we get. So remember to put equal sign here. Because it is what? It is like you are speaking to the person. It is you are speaking to yourself that you do this, you multiply to get. Okay?
Yes.
Then this is what you get. So let us perform the computation. Have your calculators in that order. You should give me A prime, B prime, the image, that is, and B prime. That is the image. Are you able to perform it alone or I assist you again?
No.
You are able to perform it alone?
Yes.
Okay, so sawa, that is good. So each person will give me an answer. We'll start with who? Okay, Shelly, Sharon, good, Lado. Yes, who is ready? Yes. Yes. -6. Yes. -6 hapa. You check your answers, please. Yes, Mercy. -8. -18. Negative Milka. -18. Okay, good. Yes, Shelly. Yes. -18. Yes, Faith. Daisy. Daisy. Where is Daisy? Yes, yes. Ray. -4. Yes, Navia. -8. Lindsay. -4. 0.
Yes.
Yentrix, did you confirm? Okay, sawa. Should I trust these are correct answers?
Yes.
Okay, sawa. Are you able to draw? There's an assignment, you'll be able to draw them by the time. You'll be able to draw them. These ones you can draw. Let us list down the coordinates of the image. A image, ni nini?
-6, -4.
Good. B image. Negative. B prime. B prime, yes. -6. Comma -8. That is correct. And then B prime. 0. The reason as why I want you to draw them is that when we come to this, you see, this is 18. This is 18. So I want you to train on how you can choose your scales very, very wisely. That is the reason I want you to draw. Because if you don't draw, you'll not be able to know how you should be able to draw the object and its image on the same Cartesian plane. So it is a practice you need to start doing. So that marks the end of the lesson. The lesson is about 30 minutes. It is now 28 minutes, but we are remaining with 5 minutes. So the 5 minutes you can do the work.
Yes.
Any question, anything you want to ask? Before I go? Anything you want to ask before I go? Should I as well? Yes. I show you there? Okay. I'm now showing you the video. I'm now showing you the video. That is how funny you'll be appearing in the internet. Be careful. When you come here, you will not see yourself. I'm seeing Sharon is there.
Serious.
I'm seeing Lindsay. I'm seeing Alina. That is, if you come this side, you'll not be able to see yourself. Where is Nora?
DJ. Gloria. This side.
Okay, this is very, very clear.
Read.
Okay, that is enough. Sorry. That is enough. Okay. You can sit. You can have a seat. Please. You can have a seat. Okay. You can have a seat. Let us see this. If you go to the class WhatsApp at the Matrices one, you'll be able to see this lesson. I will upload it there. If you go home, you'll be able to watch it severally as you like. You can repeat it. It will be in the YouTube. You'll be able to access it. The only thing you need to have is to take the smartphone from your sister, from your brother, from your mother, from your dad. Then you simply watch. If you have one, you are lucky. If you already have one, you are lucky. That is not usually possible. If someone is there and is struggling with KCSE syllabus, maybe at this age, starting from Corona period, only few people are able to attend classes. So if someone is there and is struggling with Form 4 syllabus, you can hook the person to our WhatsApp, and we'll be able to watch our videos. Most of the videos are there. So this one will be there. Remember, these are just an introduction of the topic. The rest will follow. Have a good day. Yeah. Have a good day. Let me close it. Stop.